Welcome to Retriever Ridge. Today is send home day for the last two pups that I have left. So we got Nala here with us. Nala's about to get her nails trimmed, and we're going to give you an up close look at how that's done.
Here, puppies.
All right, we got Nala. We're going to take her. She's been napping, so she's not too worked up. We're going to lay her on her back. Now, you should be working on laying them on their back like this very often. Playing with their paws or laying here. Even if they fall asleep, that's fine. But this is the thing that you do to get them to where you can trim their nails when they're older. Obviously not like this, but you can have them lay down beside you or sit and give you a paw. They're going to try to bite you a little bit. They're going to try to mess with you. At this age, you can still, for the most part, just use your little grinding tool. Depending on how long you wait, though, you might have to turn the tip off and then grind them down. Hers are looking like I should be able to just grind them for today. Get the sharp points off. So what I want to show you is I've had some requests for what it looks like up close. I'll get my cameraman on there. Good job. You see that? You can't see the cuticle on a black dog's claw. So if you're trimming them, you have to be careful. Just trim the tips. We're not trimming them, obviously. We're just going to sand them down a little bit. Just want to keep them short. But if this is one of the yellow dogs or a chocolate dog, usually you can see the cuticle on those and you can tell where to stop. Because you don't want them to bleed. Toenails bleed a lot. And it'd be rather tough to get it to stop bleeding if you're not careful. She's squirming and wiggling, but you just don't let her up. You just keep on going. I've been doing this with her, so that's why she's not biting me. That's why she's not trying to jump up. Like, she tries a little bit, but she gives in because she knows I'm going to win. I'm not going to let her up. That's the main thing when you're doing this. Do not let them up. Keep them there until you're done. Keep them there until you're done, and then they're calm before you let them up. Like I said, if you hit these once a week like this, they'll be good till they're probably, I don't know, another month older, maybe 4 months, 5 months old. You could just keep doing this. You do it once a week. Just keep them smooth so they're not sharp. And a lot of times the back claws, we'll show you the back claws. The back claws usually don't get anywhere near as bad. Cameraman, you can zoom back out a little bit if you want to. You don't have to get up close on these. Just gonna touch each one. Get the sharp point off. Now, if your dog, for whatever reason, hasn't had his nails trimmed in a while, they start to get too long, start trimming them every week. Trim the tip off every week. Once they get a little older, 6 months, 1 year, even if it's 5 years old, the cuticles will grow out and make it to where you can't trim them up short. But what you do is you trim the tips off, do it once a week, and take this little tool here and sand them down. Do that once a week, and those cuticles will start to recede. You'll be able to trim more and more off as each week goes by. But it's that simple. Her claws are not sharp anymore, and they're trimmed back. And I'm going to turn this thing off, and I'm going to sit here and rub her little belly because she did such a good job. That's her reward. We got about 2 hours till we got to load her up and take her to meet her new owner. Yeah, she's actually already met him. He came out and visited. But she's going to go home with him now. So it's a big, exciting day for them and for her. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thanks.